Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm gonna create this design with the Sharpie pencil. I'm going to start with the color Pashmina. I'm going to apply on the pinky and on the thumbs. Then I'm going to use Snow White on the index finger and on the ring finger. And I finished with the middle finger and the color Pink Fairy Wings. And I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. As usual, I'm going to place a second coat on each nail. And I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to apply the Urban Graffiti top coat, and why I'm going to do that is because to use Sharpie pencil you need a shiny, non-sticky surface. And cure for 60 seconds. Clean your brush before you dip the bristle into the Gel Residue Wipe Off solution. When you're happy with the result, let it dry until we apply some top coat to seal in the design. I'm gonna apply the Urban Graffiti top coat to seal in the design. And cure for 60 seconds. Now to finish, I'm gonna apply some Revior cuticle oil. I know I always use Revior, but this is my favorite. We have peach, vanilla, citrus, lemon, pineapple, so pick your flavor. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the products used in this video are in the description box down below. Please subscribe, share and leave a comment. Until next time, au revoir!